Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use sell all pet feature in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox latest update, you'll see sell all pets feature right here. From the sell shop, you're going to go to this booth and you're going to talk to Steven, and you'll be able to sell all your pets, but you need to equip your pet first. You need to hold your pet and you're going to talk to Steven, and you'll see sell all pets feature right here. This feature is only available when you hold your pet. If you don't hold your pet just like this, you won't see the sell all pet feature. And before you use this feature guys, make sure that you have separated your valuable pets. You can tap and hold on the pet to add the pet to your favorite like this, and when you have favorited your pet, you'll see the star on your pet, and after that you can use the sell all pets feature. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the sell all pets feature in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.